Hello everyone, I'm Money Daily. Tesla's market capitalization has surged to $1.6 trillion, with its stock price repeatedly hitting new all-time highs. This rally has forced investors to rethink the true potential of this electric vehicle empire. Veteran investor Ron Barron revealed that his early investment in Tesla has already delivered a 20 times return, and he now predicts that SpaceX could go public by mid-next year, with a valuation potentially reaching $1.5 trillion. Even more eye-catching, data analysis suggests Tesla's Robotaxi fleet could expand to 1 million vehicles by 2035. Behind these numbers lies Musk's core strategy of turning challenges into victories. Don't miss today's deep dive. Okay, let's go. The stock surged straight to a new high, pushing Tesla's market cap beyond $1.6 trillion. This rally once again left short sellers stunned. Tesla has fought its way back since the end of last year. Who still dares to say this company is finished? Behind this surge, veteran investor Ron Barron stepped forward again. And honestly, what he said was extremely satisfying to hear. In a recent interview, he praised Musk and his companies almost like legends, and the facts clearly support it. Ron Barron invested $400 million into Tesla between 2014 and 2016, which has now grown into $8 billion, a 20 times return. He began investing in SpaceX in 2017, and so far they've poured in $10 billion. He said that the moment he looked at Tesla's demand reports back then, he knew this was a massive opportunity. He also highlighted what makes Musk different. Young people are eager to work at Musk's companies. Musk often locks people in meetings for hours, digging into problems one by one. And yet, they love this intensity because they want to do something truly big alongside him. Even more explosive, Barron directly discussed a potential SpaceX IPO in today's interview. He believes it could happen as early as next summer. He even speculated the date could be June 28th, Musk's birthday, noting that this possibility has already been discussed with shareholders. Media estimates suggest SpaceX's valuation could reach $1.5 trillion by next summer. Barron made it very clear. You're not just investing in cars or rockets, you're investing in a culture. Musk dares to give people massive responsibility and isn't afraid of failure. Isn't that exactly what many of us admire? The courage to charge forward, to gamble, and to turn the impossible into reality. Morgan Stanley's latest report adds even more fuel. They project Tesla's Robotaxi fleet could reach 1,000 vehicles by 2026 and expand to 1 million vehicles across multiple cities by the end of 2035. The Cybertruck is expected to begin production in April 2026. This isn't just a numbers game. It reflects progress in unsupervised testing and improvements in safety data. Musk has always been someone who refuses to lose. The market isn't just pricing in the present, it's betting on his ability to pull off another earth-shattering breakthrough. If robotaxis really scale to 1 million vehicles, that would be absolutely world-changing. Do you think Musk can pull it off? Now let's talk policy. According to media reports, on December 16th, the European Commission officially proposed reducing emissions targets from 100% to 90%, while allowing automakers to offset the remaining emissions through low-carbon fuels or green steel. In simple terms, internal combustion engines won't disappear completely. Plug-in hybrids or vehicles using synthetic fuels can continue to be sold. The EU's policy shift mainly reflects pressure from automotive powerhouses like Germany and Italy. Legacy automakers such as Volkswagen, BMW, and Mercedes, along with their labor unions, have been lobbying heavily. They argue the EV transition is happening too fast, sales can't keep up, and competition from China and Tesla is overwhelming them. In the end, the EU had little choice but to compromise. Personally, I see this as a positive for Tesla. Musk has long argued that electric vehicles are the future, and that internal combustion engines will eventually become as outdated as riding horses or using flip phones. The EU's relaxation simply gives competitors a few more years to struggle. Meanwhile, Tesla's advantages in battery technology, autonomous driving, and scale are already widening the gap. What do you think? If Europe continues dragging its feet, will Tesla's market share there keep climbing? Next, I'll bring you more breaking updates. If you enjoy this kind of analysis, please like and subscribe. It's the greatest support you can give me. Part 2. Waymo makes another major move. According to the latest reports, Waymo is in talks for a new funding round exceeding $15 billion, pushing its valuation toward $100 billion, led by its parent company, Alphabet. This funding rumor isn't baseless. The data speaks for itself. Waymo has accumulated 1.27 billion miles of fully driverless operation. From 96 million miles in June, it surged to 1.27 billion by September. They've also released more comprehensive safety data. Compared to human drivers, under the same distances and in the same cities, overall accidents are reduced by 90%, airbag-deploying crashes by 82%, injury accidents by 81%, pedestrian injuries by 92%, bicycle accidents by 83%, and motorcycle accidents by 80%. These figures come from Waymo's own reports, as well as third-party research. The numbers are undeniably impressive. Waymo now completes over 450,000 paid rides per week, with total rides expected to surpass 20 million by year-end. Its annualized revenue run rate is around $310 million. They are operating truly large-scale, fully driverless services across multiple cities without safety drivers. Tesla's Robotaxis have been running in Austin for several months, but still involve monitors or remote supervision. Recently, Robotaxis without safety drivers have appeared on Austin streets. Musk says fully driverless operation should happen before year-end. Still, catching up to Waymo's stable scale won't be easy. I personally still support Musk, but Waymo's current position, rock-solid safety data combined with fresh funding, is both steady and ruthless. Expansion will only accelerate. Tesla has the advantage of massive data and an existing fleet. Once FSD truly becomes unsupervised and scales up, overtaking Waymo isn't just a dream. What do you think? Will Waymo maintain its lead through funding, or will Musk pull off a dramatic comeback next year? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Finally, Musk commented on the Ukraine war. He said that first and foremost, we must have empathy for those who have died on the front lines. That's the most important thing. How many more years will this war continue? Imagine if it were your son or your father. What are they actually dying for? Over 2 years in, the front lines have barely moved. So many lives have been wasted in trenches. What was it all for? Musk said it's for what he considers the largest corruption machine he has ever seen. He called it absurd, stating that the scale of corruption and bribery is disgusting. In reality, those poor soldiers are being thrown into a meat grinder for money. He said this is the reality and it must stop. Thank you for spending your valuable time watching my video. Feel free to share your views in the comments. If you want deeper insights into these topics, please like the video. Subscribe to Money Daily and follow me for more timely and accurate information.